Hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal of reading for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 13th till the 19th of October 2025. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Well, okay, yeah. Please keep that in mind. The roles can be reversed also, and don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you guys personally. Okay, let's start, Libra. The overall energy or the mutual energy of the connection right now. We have the Two of Wands, the Three of Pentacles, the Strength card. Bottom of the deck is the Seven of Wands. So both of you are being very defensive about the situation right now. Both of you are trying to prove your individual selves as the right one. It's like on happening on a conscious, unconscious level, subconscious level, you can say. It's like both of you are feeling like I'm not the one to blame here. They are the one. I am not the one who is creating any issues here. They are the one who is creating all the issues here. I have to protect myself from this person because they are toxic. They have unhealthy traits, and they keep me as an option. So you have a lot of excuses, you have a lot of scenarios from both the sides that are like creating blockages in the situation, that are creating issues in the situation on an unconscious level also. On a conscious level, we have the Two of Wands and the Three of Pentacles and the Strength card. Both of you are waiting for some kind of something to happen in the situation so that this collaboration or partnership can happen again. But at the same time, none of you is buzzing in. None of you is doing anything about it on a conscious level. You are like, why should I do that? It might be a choice between you and somebody else, or you have a choice between this Libra, between this person or somebody else. And that's why things are kind of stagnant right now, because both of you are not able to understand whether you guys should stick around with each other or you guys should go ahead with other situation, other thing. There is a lot of waiting and waiting and waiting going on in the situation, and nothing is happening. Nothing much is happening. There's a lot of stagnancy in the situation, and it's self created. It's like you guys are deliberately creating this stagnancy because this is how you guys are being sane in the situation, remaining sane in the situation. Okay. So the overall energy here is of wanting to have this collaboration partnership and waiting for this situation to maybe somehow come back together, come together, and working on it. But the lesson here is, until unless you guys are going to come on the same page, you guys will not be able to do anything about it. The lesson here is, if you are in love, you guys have to manage to come on the same page. How to do that is the lesson here. Okay, let's see what we have. The main reading now. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, Libra. God. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. We have the Temperance. They are feeling that all they can do from their side is to not to lose their temper, not to lose their patience, and everything is going to be fine with time. So they feel like not losing their temper, not losing their energies, and they feel like this situation can still be healed with patience, with time, and everything is going to be fine. They still have hope in their energies about the situation. Let me clarify the Temperance. We have the Knight of Swords, the Four of Cups, and the Lovers. So they feel like The more they are trying to run away from their emotions, the more they are getting upset and confused about the situation. So they feel like, let the universe decide for these situations, for this connection's fate. Whatever is meant to happen will happen eventually. But they are kind of trying to remain optimistic and positive that everything is going to be fine between you and them at some point of time. They're tired of running away from their feelings. They're tired of running away from the situation. Now they're feeling like just relaxing and letting it unfold naturally and organically, and whatever is supposed to happen will happen eventually. There is still attraction, there is still love, there is still pull from this person's side towards you, but they feel helpless. They feel like they can't do anything about it. It's not in their hands, okay, anymore. Where are the cards? Yeah. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? Ace of Pentacles. So from your side, you feel like having a very stable, long-term, and secure kind of brand new beginning. For most of you, it's related to your job or career or business thing, but for some of you, it might be a new opportunity, a new connection, a new bond that you feel like having in your life. Let's clarify the Ace of Pentacles here. We have the Strength card, the Ace of Cups, and the Nine of Cups. Yep. Libra, you are kind of, holding back this urge and desire to go back to the past person, past situation, and you feel like keeping your heart open to new opportunities, to new people, to new situations, so that you can be with the one who is actually meant for you and who's actually good for you, who is actually going to make you feel happy from inside out. Hmm. So you are planning to move forward towards a totally new person, new energy, because you feel like there's nothing left in the past one, and you are kind of taking a step back from the past situation. Although it's taking a lot of strength and courage for you to not to go in this direction, the past one, but you feel like this is the right thing to do, and it's actually a good thing. Hmm. As long as you guys are clear that it is over, the chapter is over. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Libra? We have the Queen of Wands. Okay, so they want to work on themselves. They want to work on themselves, their physical look and looks also, their personality also, their overall energies also, so that they can be their best version and so that they can attract everything. They don't want to chase, they just want to attract, Libra. Let's clarify the Queen of Wands here. We have the Seven of Cups and the Emperor and the Seven of Pentacles. Yes, this person just want to change their life. They want to take the charge of their life in their own hands. They want to just sit in their power. They want to open up, keep like not keeping their options open. Now they want to start opening up to new people, new situations, and they just want to wait and watch what's going to happen next in their life. Whatever is meant for them will. So basically, somebody here that is connected to energetically is living in this surrender mode, that whatever is supposed to happen and whatever is meant for them will eventually come to them. They don't have to run behind it, they don't have to chase, they don't have to cry or beg. It will happen naturally. Meanwhile, they're trying to focus on themselves, they're trying to work on their personality, their looks and everything, so that they can attract the right kind of dynamics and energy in their life the way it should be. Right now they're not super focused on this connection or this bond, although they're keeping this energy open that if it is supposed to happen between you and them, it will eventually, but they're not super focused on this energy or this connection. They're super focused on themselves right now. They're healing their energy, their looks and their life. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? We have the Six of Swords. You're telling me I am moving on towards calmer water. I just want to leave the past baggages in the past and I just want to move towards a beautiful life, a positive and peaceful life. I don't want to look back. Got it. Let's clarify the Six of Swords here, honey. Libra. We have the Ten of Pentacles, the Three of Cups, and the Page of Wands. You just want to move towards something or someone very, very stable that's going to be there in a very, very stable way for the long term. And you just want to start with the connecting with new people, new energies, new bonds, in a very light-hearted kind of a way. Let's say connecting with people and being friends with them, collaborations, partnerships, having fun, get-togethers, and just enjoying your life to the fullest. Meanwhile, hoping for this energy of somebody entering in your life while you are keeping your energies open and healed. That's a really good thing. That's how we attract good people, good energies. So you want to keep your energies light-hearted, connect with people, connect with maybe friends, and somewhat like Leo, you just want to be socially very active so that you can be in a very happy-go-lucky energy and then manifesting this brand new chapter, a stable chapter of your life. That's a good thing. Awesome. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till the 19th of October, Libra. We have the High Priestess. Wow. Let me clarify this. Mysterious energies around it, around the situation. Let's see. We we have the Devil, the Six of Pentacles, and the King of Cups. Oh, somebody's fighting or something. Anyways, so something that's going to like look like it's a very balanced kind of a thing, it's a very loving, nurturing, compassionate kind of energy, is actually going to have a lot of hidden things. So there is going to be a bond or connection. Something is happening, Libra. So something is going to make you feel like a very strong bond, a very strong connection. Something is going to make you feel like, okay, this can be my equal give and take of energy, this can be my happily ever after. But there are lots of hidden things, there are lots of hidden energies that you are not going to be aware of in the start, but eventually you will be able to see the not so good energies, the not so good vibes of the situation. The High Priestess and the Devil together is not a good energy. So somebody is going to present themselves as a very loving, caring, nurturing, and mature and grounded kind of energy. And you guys are going to feel a strong bond or strong connection. You guys are going to feel finally there's equal give and take of energy. But they are not being honest with you. They are hiding a lot of things that you might not be aware of right now. Don't get too much attracted to somebody's personality too quickly, because they are lying and they're hiding and they are having a lot of not so good energies that you might not understand right now, but you will eventually. Wow. You have the guidance as the Ten of Pentacles. See, because you want this stable long term partnership and happy go lucky energy in your life, something that's going to stick around, doesn't mean that the next person that's coming in your life you have to be with them only, or you are feeling good with someone uh, for 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, maybe a week or so, and you're planning your like to get married or get settled with them. Don't judge the book by its cover. Somebody is not truly being honest with you. They are just pretending to be something else or someone else that they're not. And just try not to fall for anything or anyone too quickly. Take your time. Understand each and everything about this person from the start. Okay, and then move forward very, very slowly. By the way, Libra, it can be you also pretending to be all healed and all happy and everything is fine, because you are going to feel attracted to someone, and then you are going to realize that there are lots of hidden things, hidden fears and hidden issues that you are not still completely done with, that you guys have to take care of. So take your time, take it really very, very slow, one step at a time, and move forward accordingly. Don't rush towards anything or anyone, because again, otherwise it's going to be a very conflicting kind of situation very quickly. Let's see, let me answer one of your questions related to your love and relationship area. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And I'm going to give you 10 seconds for the same to answer your question. And your time, 10 seconds, your time starts now. Okay, keeps on falling. Okay, so the answer to your question is get more information. Told ya. You have to get more information about this situation that's coming forward in your life next. Don't fall in the devil's trap again, coming out of one and falling into one. Not a good idea. Hmm? So, yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.